Hey team, what's up? So we have a big one today. This is huge. It's actually a two-part video. This first part, we're going to cover all the apps of Galaxy, but in this first part, obviously, I'm going to give you like 5 or 6. It's amazing stuff. I didn't think that Galaxy was going to be that good, but it is. So check it out. Stick around. It's going to be fun. First, you got to hear about this, though.
Wait, are you a course creator?
Hey, Elena, tell them about the deadline.
iSpring Course Creation course is here. Registration closes July 25th, and I'm freaking out.
Now tell them about the prices.
Win Amazon gift cards, free iSpring tools,
And who's going to be judging?
and get feedback from judges like Alex David Salas. I may just registered.
I don't want to put thoughts in your head, but someone that knows AI will probably have an edge on this.
It's so easy. Sign up by July 25th or miss out.
All right, folks. So we are here and we're going to go to galaxy.ai. Go to the links in the description. The link is right there for you. It'll also give you a special set of discounts and different things. So make sure you check that link. If you don't sign up, it's all good. You still can try it and it'll be fun. I can tell you that this is saying that it's $15 a month. It's an annual plan, and it says that it gets all these apps right here. So that's the bigger deal. You get all these apps that I cover in the channel here. You can check the links in the description. You can check the links up there. This is amazing. If it does all of this, then we have a new app that basically is all you need. So let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, so in this one, we gave it AI translator. So we used the AI translator, which is this one here. Gave it the language, which is cool. This you can copy and paste, and everything is set up. So you can just copy here. I used it to update my channel, for example, like add that. And I have the Spanish here now. This was done with ChatGPT. I want to know what it does, if it does the same, or if it does well, because I don't speak the other languages. So if you saw the Arabic there and it's accurate, let me know. But here is Spanish, right? And you have that down, you just hit translate, and it will bring that over. So it's interesting because this seems more accurate than what ChatGPT did, right? Okay, so let's see what the logo generator can do, right? I just said picture of a man, this and that, gave you the reference for that. And actually you can use 5 image uploads. So I'm going to use actually that image. Okay, so I gave you the logo that I created with ChatGPT and also put my picture on it. All right, so here are the results that we have. We have regenerated results. So that's pretty good because I actually revised it and hit it again. So it replaced the designs. And now you can actually go here and look at all the designs that you have created. Obviously, I guess that's going to take a minute. It is taking a while. All right, cool. Here we are. So here are the logos that have been created. Oh, wow. You can see so many logos that have been created here. Interesting. Okay. I didn't create that, but I guess you can see what anybody else created, or maybe these are samples they have. Yeah, samples that you can have. That's awesome. Just remember that a lot of these apps are going to have communities, and the communities are going to do those things, right? All right, so image generator works pretty well. I did the audiogram model. That was pretty good. And look, it did exactly what I wanted. Hooded character is seen placing a QR code at a pay station or a parking garage in the United States. Again, something you have to be very aware of because that's how hackers can actually get your information. So be aware of that. Alrighty. And we can make it better. So let's see what Make It Better does. So this is the prompting assistance that now is available with many AI apps. If your writing skills are not there, let's say prompting wise, then you get this. Oh man, this is fantastic because now you get 4 different options for it. Cloud character, so the approaches, space station. Okay, something that's calling my attention here is this chat with AI and chat arena. So chat with AI, it appears they set up a GPT-4o mini with, they're using this model And you can switch between the models and any other model that is available. This is pretty freaking cool. I mean, right now, the last video I did, it doesn't have the 2.5 flash, but it has a lot of advanced things. So, for example, Gemini, Google's Gemini, Anthropic's Cloud. So it has them all here. That's very interesting. All the models are available, and you can use them directly. So, wow. Okay, this might be something where you can consider not using ChatGPT and just using it through Galaxy.ai. 20 million credits. We still got to figure that out. How does that work? So here we are in the image generator, and I don't see anything that I have created. So if we click that, we can see that. That's cool. But nothing of the stuff that I created. Oh, there we go. View generated images down here. There you are. Okay. So this is our folks here. So if we do this, for example, image to video will be best because talking video will require something else. Or actually, let me see if I could do talking video. We could do something interesting. I would like to have that character talk to us and say something, right? There we go. And you select the voice for the uploaded photo. And it has access to the different voice. Oh my God, are you kidding me?
There is no better AI platform.
That's Trump. Oh, this is just not. How is this?
There's no better AI.
Oh my God. Are you serious? So they have.
There's no better AI.
How? How? I don't even know how. Never mind. I'm not just not gonna get there. But this is Joe Rogan's voice. Okay, Joe Rogan's voice. So I'm gonna try to talk like he does. So the idea here is you can just generate voices and stuff and then switch over and do other work. So let's say, for example, let's go check out the chat arena. Chat arena really caught my attention because in reality, what it is you can face, this is going to be a video we're going to do for sure. We can face the models against each other. You can actually get responses from different models in the same app. This is fantastic. Love it. Man, Galaxy.ai, I think you are winning. This is fantastic. So I'm going to ask you something I know. A little bit of a different approach. It's interesting. What is interesting, though, is they hit the same spots. B.F. Skinner, he was a behaviorist. They hit the same spots there, but this is really the period right here where instruction synthesis design starts. That's actually how courses are made. We got all the great things that were, all the big events that took place. And then we have Addy. Excellent. And apparently my information has been out there quite a bit. So we do that. Now this is a copy of this. Haha. All right, this is awesome. Let's keep going, folks. YouTube summarizer. Over here. Oh, wow. Quickly just pops it up. Use an advanced AI model. So we're going to click that on because we're going to get the best results here. Summarize the video and then go from there. Or let me see my history real quick. Oh, no, there is my history. Never mind. Yeah, so there might be a little bit of inconsistency. So I guess look for this icon every time, the history icon, right? But there might be a little bit of inconsistency in the apps because, you know, one app has the button on the top right, the other one is on the bottom left, stuff like that. But here we got our summary right here. Wow, this is pretty wild. I watched this video, folks, and it's actually fantastic. By the way, it's an AI app band that is in Spotify and it's getting a lot of views, a lot of downloads. This is wild. Whoa. There's no telling now as to who's going to be writing what and who's writing what. Okay. So we got that covered. Good stuff. Summarized video works excellent. In terms of the use, yeah, fantastic. What do you think? I think there's something there to look at. Galaxy has a lot of cool apps. I'm still wondering how this works. How can you just pay $15 a month? You know, if you pay the annual one, it'll be $15 a month and get all of this. How are they doing it? There must be something to leverage in the back end, primarily because the large language models don't have a cost. They're open source. So it might be that, but it's very interesting. So hope to see you in the next one. Check it out. Make sure you check the links in the description. We have the iSpring course creator content and also the No More FOMO AI community is here. So you should be part of it. Go check the links in the bio.